There are credit rebuilding companies out there that promise you that you can rebuild your credit with them in just 6 months. And to be honest, sure, maybe they can help you do this, but at what cost? Credit rebuilding companies that promise you this are trying to sell you a higher interest loan. Making payments towards this loan will work towards rebuilding your credit, but you will be getting yourself into debt. Strategies like lowering your balances by paying down your debts work faster than others. Some strategies to rebuild or improve your credit include making all of your payments on time, trying to pay your credit card in full each month. If this is not possible, paying off as much as you can will certainly help lower your balance, which in turn will lower your interest payments as well. Using a secured credit card, getting a cell phone contract you can afford, and lastly, using your credit card sparingly with simply a single purchase like a cup of coffee here and there. Ultimately, remember that improving and rebuilding credit will take time.